You can get a better understanding before installing. All the screws removed in the video need to be kept, as they will need to be reinstalled later. Push the latch upward to release the anti-slip plastic part. The second time, it is necessary to press down and secure the plastic baffle here. Unscrew the silver screws hidden behind the anti-slip plastic part. Unscrew these silver screws, 14 in total. Unscrew these hex head screws. Remove the 3 pedals. Flip the plastic shell over, being careful not to damage the wires. The 3 springs correspond to different pedals. Be careful not to confuse them. Unscrew the hex head screw. Unscrew the hex head screw on the other side. Unscrew the hex screws of the other 2 pedals as well. Lift the plastic pipe upward. Remove the old gas pedal spring. Insert the new gas pedal spring into the red pipe. Cover the black pipe and put it back. Tighten the screws. Remove the old brake pedal spring. Note, the black square here needs to be retained. Insert the new brake pedal spring into the red pipe. The end of the spring with higher density is the bottom. Insert the black block into the spring. Cover the black pipe and tighten the screws. Remove the old clutch pedal spring. Install the new clutch pedal spring. Cover the black pipe and put it back. Tighten the screws. Cover the plastic shell. Reset and secure the corresponding pedal. Here, you need to insert the wire into the slot. Tighten the screws, and you are done.